for not following the rules, there will be no refunds. So, keep it fun and stay safe. Before you leave this briefing room, check the loose clothing and...
Bro, why does your helmet look so small on you?
You have one. You just got a decent one.
You got a small head, bro.
Me? He's got an extra large.
Hey, not me.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Bro, why not bigger than you? It's a large, bro. Well, Benny boy, right behind you. What'd you say? Ah, it's happening this time, bro. Oh.
Tommy!
No, right?
Flags in the air. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing, boys.
Grand Prix win and his home race and a 15th consecutive, 15th Silverstone podium, a 12th consecutive podium. He is the man who raises the bar, who raises the stats, who takes things to stratospheric levels, and he's only got 3 corners now. He can see the crowd standing and giving him that round of applause. He is ready to kickstart the celebrations. 8 times we've said it before. Here's a 9th for you. Lewis Hamilton wins the British Grand Prix. What a victory!
Can he drive?
Can he drive? You know what DK stands for?
Donkey Kong?
Drift King.
Drift? What do you mean, drift?
Second last apex here. Well, little love tap right there, but it doesn't matter. Counter steering that very good, and that's it. We go on the straight line. This is where I can build up momentum and keep it good and perfect. Just pure class right there. Just pure fucking class. Fuck, what a racer! But anyways, I go to number 2, hot on my ass. But I take him in the inside. Thought he'll take me in the inside there, but I think I defended it pretty good there. Anyways, hitting this big apex here, taking good. Went on the green a little bit too much. Doesn't matter. Got fucking body blocked by just 2 other people there. See, number 2's coming out for revenge. It's like 2016. What? 2016 Warriors. He's up 3-1. He just overtook me 2 times. But anyways, I didn't give up right there. behind. A little bit of a counter steer there. It's alright. The track was a little bit wet today. Just a little bit wet. It was raining a bit, but it's alright. Seems to clear up, or maybe we just have really cold tires at the same time. Maybe no one went on before. But anyways, we still keep going, still hustling. I'm onto his ass. Time, hell no, you ain't fucking leaving. It's game 7 Braun here. He did overtake me, he's out pretty far. But anyways, took the corners there. Could have went slightly to the right a little bit more, but that's okay. That's why we are watching this footage again. As you can see, he kind of slipped a little bit there. This is our advantage. 55, big ass ogre blocks in the way, but doesn't matter. Anyways, here we are. Quite packed here. We had some people right in front of us. Doesn't matter. You're talking to Ark. You're talking to Drift King right here. The best one, the best driver. You're talking to Senna right here. I know what I'm doing. A little bit. Anyways, 22 almost tried to cut me off. I said, fuck off. You are not cutting me off today. Look at that, just slipping right through everyone. God, call me Lightning McQueen while you're out here. Anyways, I'm hot on 2's ass. Anyways, 2 almost gets hit there, but everyone just bumped around now. 2 dirty racer. See that? Puts a sorry up. Fuck off. That's my turn to shine. Anyways, I catch up. I use that to my advantage. You see me slipping and sliding through everything. 8, stop fucking blocking. Get the fuck out the way. 2 hit me right there, the motherfucker. God, he was quick, but he wasn't quick enough. Non-biased commentary, clearly. As you can see, we did take over 2. Tom, go and get fucked. Anyways, taking up the corners really well. I wish I took it here. You know what? Perfect. Felt like the tires were too much to, on the red, but hey, it doesn't matter. Anyways, back to the race. As you can see, we are holding a really good racing line right now. No one else is in front. Could have took it a little bit more closer to the edge, but didn't. Keep going. Last 2 minutes of the race. I'm just trying to give everything that I've got on this race right now. Obviously, I'm a professional F1 driver, as you can see. As you can see, 2 just comes in out of nowhere. Oh my god, 2 just came in out of nowhere. Slips right through me. Did not see him coming. Let's do a replay right on that. Let's get back to the race. The 3rd longest apex here. 2 is really holding that line. And oh my god! Game 7 LeBron out of nowhere. Slap that shit off the fucking backboard. Let's do another replay on that. Arkin just taken in slowly now. Comes in here, coming in hot. Tailgating 18. Tailgating 10. Tailgating 10. Comes in, could have hit the corner a little bit harder, but hits are really hard there to take over 10. Can he keep that line? He should have cut him right there. Oh, this is going to be a close one. This is absolutely going to be a close one. 10 absolutely fucking bloody blocks me. What the fuck? Anyways, I'm still hot on his fucking ass. The advantage over me. Guess who you're talking to? Best racer in the world. Non-biased commentary. Anyways, 10, he thinks... Wait, is that? No. Anyways, he thinks he's got it on me. I'm going to go hit and dive it in. A little bit of throttle control there. He had to hit the brake there. But anyways, just... See that? Anyways, back out. hitting the corner, could have hit a lot tight. 10 did overtake me there, but I'm like, you know what, I'll let you have that, you know. I just want to like a dad, and now I'm going to go back to the race and take you out like that. Did you see that? Oh my god, nearly gets hit with the fucking pole. Dude, I should have just let them hit me. I would have an RX-7 by now. Anyways, that's it. The last race. This was... Alright, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Sorry that, like, the audio just... I don't know, had like this little crackle effect towards it. I don't know. I tried fixing it, just didn't want to fix itself. So that's why I'm just going to redo the outro now, as I already done an outro for this. But anyways... yeah, it was good fun recording this as well. So if you guys want this in the future, please comment, like, subscribe. Trust me, it does a lot. I don't know, this thing's really interesting. Yeah, just let me know what you guys want, and yeah, I'll give that content out. Go-karting, probably do more in the future. It's really fun recording this video at the same time. But sadly came in third, as I didn't get the fastest time by 0.2 milliseconds, which sucks, but it is what it is. When you have 22 people on the track, it's pretty much impossible to get a really fast track time, just because there's a lot of slow people, which is not it's not like it's anyone's fault, but it was just more like, I don't know why you put 22 people on the small track. But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, all night. Please like, subscribe. Cheers, guys.